In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get virtual card on Affirm. By the end, you'll know exactly how to request a one-time virtual Visa card from Affirm and use it to check out online or in-store at merchants that accept Visa. Here's the idea in simple terms. When you're approved for a loan with Affirm, you can load that approved amount onto a virtual Visa card. It's designed for a single purchase at the merchant of your choice, and it works much like any other Visa card at checkout. This is especially handy when a store doesn't offer Affirm at checkout, but still takes Visa. To get started, open the Affirm app on your phone or go to the Affirm website. Sign in using your mobile number or your passkey. Once you're in, browse or search for the store where you want to shop. You can pick from featured brands or simply look up the retailer you already have in mind. Next, select Affirm Virtual Card or Tap Shop with Affirm. If you see that option, this is your gateway to creating the one-time card you'll use to pay. When prompted, enter the purchase amount you want the virtual card to cover. A helpful tip here is to include the full expected total, like taxes and shipping, so your card is set up for the amount you actually plan to spend. Because it's a one-time card, it's best to match this closely to your checkout total. Now choose your payment plan. Depending on your eligibility, you might see pay in 4 interest-free payments or monthly installments. Take a second to review the payment schedule and any costs so you know what your budget will look like. Review the terms, and when everything looks good, tap Create Virtual Card. Affirm will generate a unique virtual card number in just a few seconds. You'll see the card number, expiration date, and CVV on the screen. Copy or save these details securely. Treat them like any other card information and don't share them. You're ready to pay. For online purchases, enter the card details at checkout and choose Visa as the payment method. For in-store purchases, use it where virtual cards are accepted. If you're unsure, ask the merchant whether they can process a virtual Visa card. Remember, this card is intended for a single use and may be time limited, so plan to complete your purchase soon after creating it. That's it. You've requested, created, and used an Affirm virtual card to complete your purchase with the payment plan that fits you.